Hey, everyone, welcome back to CRYPoTatO. Today we're going to demystify the world of cryptocurrency. Are you curious about how digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin work? Well, you're not alone. A lot of people hear about the incredible returns on investment and want to get in on the action, but have no idea how it all works. Well, that's where I come in. I'm here to give you the inside scoop on how cryptocurrency works, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro. First things first, let's talk about the technology behind it all, blockchain. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records all transactions made using a particular cryptocurrency. It's like a digital notebook, where every page is a new block, and every block contains a record of all transactions made during a specific period of time. One of the key features of blockchain is that it's decentralized, meaning there's no one central authority or middleman controlling it. Instead, it's maintained by a network of computers all around the world. This makes it incredibly secure and resistant to hacking and tampering. Now, let's talk about how you can actually use cryptocurrency. In order to participate in the blockchain network, you need to have a digital wallet. This is where you store your digital currencies, and it's also where you'll receive payments when you make transactions. To make a transaction, you simply need to enter the amount you want to send, along with the recipient's digital wallet address. The transaction is then broadcast to the entire network, where it's verified by multiple computers. Once it's been verified, it's added to the next block in the blockchain, and the transaction is complete. But wait, you might ask, if there's no central authority controlling the transactions, how do we know that the person sending the money actually has enough to cover the transaction? That's where the process of mining comes in. Miners are the computers that verify transactions, and they are rewarded with small amounts of the cryptocurrency they're mining for. This is also how new coins are created. It's also important to note that mining requires specific hardware and software, and it's not something that just anyone can do. In the description box below, I have added some of the best wallets for you to use for your cryptocurrency. Be sure to check them out and pick the one that best suits your needs. So, there you have it. Cryptocurrency, blockchain, digital wallets, and mining, the building blocks of the digital currency revolution. I know it might seem a little complicated at first, but it's not as hard as it seems. With a little bit of knowledge and the right tools, you'll be able to navigate the world of cryptocurrency like a pro. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'll see you in our next tutorial.